Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week exclusive love reading plus career reading. Okay, where is the mic? Mic needs to be out. Okay, so let's begin. Your cards are already out. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification in advance. And if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals or the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. In your career, you've got the Abyss card and the Knight card. Now, this tells me that your intuition is nudging you to take a step in your life. Like you are looking for a change. You want to change something in your life, but you're not changing it. You're procrastinating it. You're delaying that decision, right? But this week, I do feel that you are going to do something. I do feel that you are looking to change or end something in your life, end a job, start something else, start a business, go for higher studies. It can be anything for you. This week there will be a separation from that work of yours, that job of yours, that university of yours if you're looking for a change. This particular job, the new job or the new opportunity can take you to another city, state or country because I do see a separation, I do see a travel as well. So you will be ending this and moving away from your home. It can be that you're moving away from your family, and that is maybe why you have been delaying this decision for a very long time. Despite knowing that this opportunity is, not giving you the kind of results or happiness that you want or the money that you want, you have been delaying it for quite a while. But this week you will be taking some sort of action. Now, one thing, Aries, is that you have to keep in mind is that you're not making an impulsive decision and you're not grabbing an opportunity just because it looks good on the outside or because you are getting a lot of attention, right? So don't go where you're getting a lot of attention, but go where you're actually meant to be. So please don't make impulsive decision. Please don't go or run after fame or attention because somebody is giving you attention, so you'll be like, I'll be more happy here. Don't do that because this is also giving me a very immature energy. So if you're going to be immature about it, if you're not going to be practical about the big decisions of your life, you can later regret this decision of yours. So please make sure that this is a thought through uh, position and change, and it is not only to fulfill your um, attention seeking goals. Let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Alchemist and the Fortitude. I do see that now you're ready to settle down in one way, or you want to invest in a house in some way, right? Like you have been living like a nomad for a very long time. This week you are going to make some major decisions in your life. You are ready to change your life because I feel that you're bored of your life or it's not giving you the happiness that you have been looking for. This week is going to be a big week for you. You're going to make some very bold decisions in your life, like you will change your life drastically, and that is happening in your personal life as well. Maybe you have been single for a very long time. Now you would like to settle down, be with a partner, start a new relationship. So that kind of energy is also changing for you, and you're leaving no stone unturned. I also see that some of you could be going back to some of your exes and known person to ask for forgiveness and start a new relationship with them, or you're moving forward with full force, maybe joining some dating app or matrimonial app, meeting a lot of people out there, and you are like determined to change your life. You're determined that I will start a relationship, I will be getting married soon, right? So that is giving you a lot of power also. Since you know what you want, you're giving out a very powerful aura to the others. Of course, it requires a lot of courage and strength to go all out there and to tell people what I'm looking for, right? So that is something that you will be doing. You will be out there more social, meeting more people, and this is going to be a very important week, I must say. Overall, if I see whether your career, business, work, studies, or your personal life, it's you're going some making some major decisions. If you already married, if you have been like staying away from your house, you will make sure that now you're spending more time at home with your family, right? If you are single, you're looking to get mingle, and if you have been relationship, you're ready to take that next step in your life. So no matter what your situation is, I do feel the next step is definitely happening, and you are going forward with full force. So this is going to be a very good week for you. If you guys resonated with it, if you think this is exactly what you are planning, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want to book any personal reading, since this was a general reading, you have very specific questions of yours, you can book a personal reading with me. I take rituals as well, two kinds of rituals, blockage removal ritual and manifestation ritual. You can book that as well. I have different packages available. If you are in a love complicated situation, I have a different package for you where multiple questions will be answered and a free remedy will be given. Same goes for single people, same goes for career, and same goes for people looking to know more about their friendship. I also have spiritual counseling sessions available. So if you need therapy, you need guidance, one-on-one audio video call sessions, I do have that available on Instagram, Google Meet and Zoom. So please check out that as well. I do have exclusive love readings also available for people who are in no contact or people who want to know more about their crush, whether they love them back or not, or what is the real connection between the two of you. So please check out my Oracle Love Reading and Mystic Red Rose Love Reading. And to make any kind of booking, you can either email me on my email ID mentioned in the description box and bio, which is Astha Sharma 842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. That's the same for my both Hindi and English channel. You will keep yourself more updated because I post the prices. I have different range of prices starting from 170 rupees to thousands of rupees. So you can check out and choose the service available. Every service has a different price available so that you can choose whatever suits your budget. And yes, you will know when my channel is closed as it was closed recently. You will also know if there's a new service that is being launched. Everything you will get to know from my Instagram handle. Here you'll only get to know about my weekly readings. So please subscribe so that you can get to know about my weekly readings as well. Take care of yourself. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'm going to be seeing you very, very soon. Bye bye.